Want to use ChatGPT as your default search engine on Safari? With just a few quick steps, you can replace Google and get AI-powered answers instantly. Let's get started. First, open Safari and navigate to the search bar. You'll see an icon. Tap on it to bring up additional options. From there, select Manage Extensions to access your installed Safari extensions. Scroll through the list and locate ChatGPT search, then toggle it on to activate it. Once that's done, return to your browser. You'll now notice a new option for ChatGPT in your search bar. Tap on it, and a pop-up window will appear requesting permissions. To ensure seamless functionality, select Always Allow. This step is crucial for the extension to work properly. And that's it. From now on, Safari will use ChatGPT instead of Google for your searches. Enjoy your AI-powered browsing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.